Hey guys, Tony here. So just a quick update on my full Shiba Inu position. As you guys know, I do have around half a billion Shiba Inu, which equates to somewhere close to around $20,000. So I have my position on Coinbase, regular Coinbase is 9,500 bucks. My position in, I did the math, you guys can see the calculator. Just wanted to make sure. And my position on Coinbase Pro is $10,500. So that equates to a little bit over a $20,000 position. But again, just wanted to be transparent with Shiba Inu on the right up or on the right down, wherever. But sometimes people say that I sold at a certain price. I got the same thing with doggy. People are like, oh, you sold here, you sold here. That one, I actually didn't verify all that much because for obvious reasons. But whatever Shiba Inu gets to, because I bought in when I did, and we all kind of bought together. So this I will be transparent with, regardless of if I make $20,000 or maybe let's say I make $1 million, right? I'll be transparent with Shiba Inu with you guys, right? So regardless of what doggy, I'm not gonna share, obviously, like I said, for obvious reasons. Some of you guys know how much I made, some of you guys don't. It's fine. But with Shiba Inu, I'm letting you guys know right now that whatever, because we basically rode this road together, I'm not gonna be hiding nothing. I'm basically just holding all of my Shiba Inu for now. But when I do cash out or when I do hit certain numbers, I'll definitely just be transparent with you guys. But again, I am holding about half a billion Shiba Inu, so keep that in mind. But my full position as of right now has officially hit around $20,000 into Shiba Inu, and we still have another couple zeros to get out of price. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.